Hello my dear students, today's lesson is relation between multiplication and division. Let's see. Habiba baked 25 cookies. She wanted to share them with her 5 friends. How many cookies would each friend get? The first thing we have to know that in the division or in the divided, each is a keyword for the division. The first thing you have to know. The second thing that we have to start with the biggest number, like the minus. So the biggest number is 25. So 25, and we said the keyword is each for division, so divided 5. And you have to know that 25 is the dividend and the 5 is the divisor, and the answer, it will be the quotient, which is 5. Here, this is the first equation. Workspace, 5 times what equals 25? 5 times 5 equals 25. So you got the answer. Here another example. 7 times what equals 21? So we know that 7 times 3 equals 21. And that's it. Workspace, 7 times 3 equals 21. Write a division equation using these same numbers. So here we will write the dividend, which is, we said before, the biggest number is 21. And the divisor is 7 divided 7. And the quotient, the answer is 3. Here, some question. Complete the fact families for the following numbers as the example. If 6 times 7 equals 42, then 7 times what equals 42? For sure, 7 times 6 equals 42. Here, we want to make it divided. 42 divided, we said before, this is the dividend because it's the biggest number. 42 divided 7 equals 6. 42 divided 6 equals 7. They are the same. 42 divided 7 equals 6. 42 divided 6 equals 7. So we have another example. You have to know, if we multiply two small numbers, it will give me a big number. If I divide this big number, like we do here, by one of the small number, it will give me the second small number, which it will be the 4. This is the first answer. 5 times what equals 20? It's very easy. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 divided 5 equals 4. And here, it's the same. 20 divided 4 equals 5. Let's turn the page. Page 9. Here, we have here 3 numbers. Like you see here. We have here 3 numbers. And we want to make multiplication equation and division equation. Let's do it. And we said before, if I multiply two small number, it will give me a big number. If I divide this big number by one of the small numbers, it will give me the second small number. If we have here 5 times 4, let's write it. 5 times 4 equals the big number, which is 20. And 4, it's so easy, times 5 equals 20. And we said if I divide the big number, which is 20, with one of the smallest number, we will start with the 4. 20 divided 4 equals 5. It will give us the second small number, which is 5. We are right. So we also can do 20 divided 5 equals 4. So easy. Here another equation. 4 times 8 equals 32. And 8 times 4 equal 32. Yes, that's right. So the biggest number, which is 32 divided 4 equals 8. And 32 divided 8 equals 4. Very easy. Let's answer this. Which one is the smallest? 6 times 7 equal the biggest, 42. 7 times 6 equal 42. 42 divided 6 equals 7, and 42 divided 7 equals 6. So easy. Here 6 times 3 equals 8, and 3 times 6 equal 18, sorry. So 18 18 divided 3 equals 6. 18 divided 6 equals 3. Here they are the same, but only we put it inside the triangle. 5 times 10 equal 50. And 10 times 5 equals 50. And we always will start with the biggest number in divided. 50 divided 5 equals 10. And 50 divided 10 equals 5. And here 9 times 5 equals 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. 45 divided 5 equals 9. 45 divided 9 equals 5. So easy. Here another type of question. Fill in the missing numbers and then draw lines to connect the equations that are related. Okay. 2 times what equals 18? Very easy. 2 times 9 equals 18. 10 times what equals 80? For sure, it's 8. So 8 times 10 equals 80. Here, 7 times 4 equals, yes, 28. So easy till now. Let's see here. 80 divided what equals 8? Remember what we said before? 80 divided 10. We said before the biggest number should be the first, then we take the small number, it will give me the second small number, which is this equation. So we got the match. Here 4, what divided 4 equals 7? The biggest number, which is 28. 28 divided 4 equals 7. So we got the match. And 18 divided 2, we know the answer already, which is 9. So that's so easy. Let's go to page 10. Here we have another type of question, which is story problems. A farmer picked 21 flowers and put them equally in 7 baskets. How many flowers in each? Each, we said each, a keyword for division or divide. So we know the sign. The division, what we should start with? The biggest number, 21 divided 7 equals, we can we can put the magic or the multiplication arrow to know the division. Here, times, so 7 times what equals 21? To be easy for you, 7 times 3 equal 21. So the answer is 3, or the quotient is 3. 3 flowers. Here, a mother distributed 36 oranges in 9 plates. How many oranges in each also? So we know divided. So 36, the biggest number, divide 9 equals, also we will put the multiplication arrow to know 9 times what equals 36. It's easy, it's 4. So 36 divided 9 equals 4 oranges. Sorry. Here, solve the following problems using an efficient strategy for you. 24 divided 2 equals, we know before, we will put the multiplication arrow here up and write the time. 2 times what equals 24? 2 times 12. We will write it here. 2 times 12 equals 24. To be easy for us. 12 times what equals 48? 12 times 2. That's too easy. So we will write it here also. 12 times 2 equals 48. 72 divided what equals 8? 72 divided 9. Or 8 times 9 equals 72. Sorry, 12 times here, it's 12 times 4 equals 48. 12 times 4. 5 times 4. What we should do here? We will put bracket. 5 times 4 times 2. 5 times 4 equals 20. We will write it here in the workspace. 20 times 2 equals 40. So the answer will be 40. What about here? 8 times what equals 57? So 7 times 8 equals 56. And that's it. Thank you, my dear students.